Students, we are coming to the last part of the lesson, role of cooperatives in food security. The cooperatives are also playing an important role in food security in India, especially in the southern and western part of the country. And we know what is cooperatives. They are the suppliers or the producers together. They are making the group or association to work for that particular field. If it is in the, for example, related to factory, they will make the factory. For example, sugarcane producers together, they are making the factory and they are running the factory. Like the rice and wheat also, they are together, those who are producers or suppliers or distributors, they are together making the company to distribute the food grains for the people. The cooperative societies set up shops to sell low priced goods to poor people. Then how they are doing that one, they are making the shops. In that shops we will get low price items but good quality. For example, out of all fair price shops running in Tamil Nadu, around 99% are being run by the cooperatives. These ration shops or fair shops, that is 99% running by the cooperative societies. In Delhi, Mother Dairy is making stride in the provisions of the milk and vegetables to the consumers at controlled rate decided by the government of Delhi. The state government of Delhi, they are doing with the help of Mother Dairy. It is a milk and milk product unit, and with the help of that one, they are giving milk items as well as the vegetables also. Amul is another success story of cooperative in milk and milk production from Gujarat. It has brought about the white revolution in the country. So white revolution related to what? Milk production, milk and milk allied products. These are a few examples of many more cooperatives running in the different parts of the country, ensuring food security of the different sections of the society. The next one, similarly in Maharashtra, Academy of Development Science ADS has facilitated a network of NGO for setting up grain banks in different regions. We are going to see Maharashtra how they are working, not like these cooperatives. Other than that, what they done to ensure the food security, they are having that one of the Academy of Development Science, and what they are doing, they are facilitated network of NGOs for what? Grain banks. Then ADS organized training and capacity building program on the food security for NGO. Grain banks are now slowly taking shape in different parts of Maharashtra. ADS effort to set up grain bank to facilitate replication through others, other NGOs, and to influence the government's policy on food security are thus playing a rich dividend. So what they are doing, they are giving the training, and then they are facilitating the program. ADS facilitating, and NGOs, they are getting the training. With the help of one NGO, that ADS, they are collaborating with other many NGOs, and with the help of these NGOs, what they are doing, they are trying to make policies or influence the government policies. The ADS Grain Bank program is acknowledged as a successful and innovative food grain intervention, like that in all India. In Maharashtra, almost everywhere it started already. Then other parts also, there we are started to get the influence of that one. Slowly in other parts also may start it. Then summary of the lesson: food security of the nation is ensured if all of its citizens have enough nutritious food available. All persons have a capacity to buy food of acceptable quality, and there is no barrier of access to food. That what we have seen, food security means what it is. The people living below poverty line might be food insecure all the time, while better off people might also turn food insecure due to calamity or disaster. So our topic also, our project topic also related to this one only, disaster management. So in disaster time, how the people they are suffering in food insecurity, like that things also we will study when we are doing our project. Although all large sections of the people suffer from food and nutrition insecurity in India, The worst affected groups are landless or land poor households, and in rural areas, and people employed in ill-paid occupations and casual laborers engaged in seasonal activities in the urban areas. The food insecure people are disproportionately large in some regions of the country, such as economically backwards states with high incidence of poverty, tribal and remote areas, regions of the society of regions more prone to the natural disasters, etc. For example, coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Andhra, like that area, because every year getting the cyclone or like that some storms and other some flood problems related to rain, like that. Okay, then to ensure availability of food to all sections of the society, the Indian government carefully designed food security system, which is composed of two components, that is buffer stock and public distribution system. In addition to PDS, various poverty alleviation programs were also started with comprises a component of a food security. Some of these programs are integrated child development schemes. We have seen already ICDS, Food for Work, FFW, Midday Meal, Antyodaya, Anna Yojana, etc. In addition, the role of the government in ensuring food security, there are various cooperatives and NGOs also working intensively towards this direction. By this, we are completing the lesson, and I will send the link of the question answer for your better understanding. Okay, we are stopping here. Thank you. Have a nice day.